These properties are considered tainted property and may be subject to a confiscation order under CARO at a later date. In respect of the prosecution's application for the defendants to pay prosecution's costs, Justice Luger Mawson was not satisfied that they did not have the means to pay. This is having regard to the $6 million misappropriated, which remains untraced and unaccounted for. Despite having numerous opportunities to inform the authorities what happened to the money or if any of it remains unavailable, the defendants have chosen not to. The court viewed that even though the money involved in the money laundering charges against the second defendant is small compared to the $15.75 million that was misappropriated, the fact remains that he shared the benefits of the large amounts of money misappropriated by his wife in living and enjoying an extravagant lifestyle. Justice Luger Mawson ordered for the first defendant to pay $1 million within 6 months, with an in-default sentence of 6 months imprisonment if she fails to do so. The court ordered the second defendant to pay $500,000 within 6 months, with an in-default sentence of 3 months imprisonment if he fails to do so. These in-default sentences will be served consecutively to the sentences they are currently serving. The defendants were initially charged with offences under Section 12 of the Prevention of Corruption Act, but these charges were ordered to be stayed by Justice Luger Mawson at the close of prosecution's case. The stay order was made in the interest of justice, as the offence requires the defendants to give evidence in explaining the possession of their wealth, whereas the law affords them a right to remain silent in respect of the other offences they faced. The reason for ordering the stay has now ended with the conviction and sentences against the defendants. Justice Luger Mawson ordered for the stay to be lifted. It will be for the public prosecutor to decide whether it is in the interest of justice to continue with the prosecution or otherwise, a decision which will be made after the Court of Appeal finally disposes with the appeal. The public prosecutor was represented by a team led by Datuk Seri Setia Devinder Singh SC, with Deputy Public Prosecutors Haja Suryana Haji Radin, Tengku Didi Nuraza, Pengiran Haji Abdul Latif, and Muhammad Kamarul Afian bin Abdul Rahman from the Attorney General's Chambers, and Navin Tivar of Devinder Singh Chambers LLC Singapore. Simon Farrell QC and Sheikh Nordin Sheikh Muhammad appeared for the defendants.